Okay, right now we're in Jianggang, China, in the Sunset Fisherman Wharf area. As you can see, many fishermen boat is around me. They're catching the fish and selling the fish in here too. They're also selling all the fish and seafood to the distribution market, which is close to the city. 我哋而家喺湛江廣州喺呢個下山漁港裏邊，見到好多漁船都喺呢度捕魚啊，有啲賣魚啊。但係佢其餘嗰啲職業咧，多數都係買捕啲魚咧，就拎去嗰個批發市場嗰度賣嘅。我早幾日個 video 都有睇到好多啲賣魚啊、賣海鮮嘅批發市場。Right now, also we are just walking to the port where the boat will take us to a different island where we're going to spend half a day over there. 我哋而家等緊隻船去特程港，咁呢個就係佢哋嘅上船落船嘅碼頭啦。